looks pretty.
Alright, Mariah, come over here by Mommy. Here. And then Aunt Riley's gonna get us another dresser.
Sorry.
Mama, get your hand. Okay, you do it. Wait, hey, wait.
You have to get another dresser first.
Or then Riley get you another dresser. Painting hand.
Hey! Lisa, I think you should do, like on the top, you should put, blue.
Hold on, let me do the other hand.
Like, on the top and the sides, you should put blue handprints and, feet prints.
Baby brother. Just gotta have a little baby brother. First Aunt Riley.
Woo! Here you go, right here. This hand, this hand, this hand. Here you go, right here. Woo! Over here. Ooh, right here. Okay, take this hand and put it right here. There you go. Right here. Uh-oh. There you go. Right here. Over here. Mommy, say, Mommy, we need more paint.
Come here.
We're done with the top.
Is there any globs?
Wee!
Yeah.
Is there
Other
any
hand,
obs in
other
it?
hand, other hand. You gotta get the other one. She's like, oh, okay.
What hand is
Go
it?
for it.
Right here. Yeah. Here. Quit yelling.
Next one's the feet.
Oh, God. Yeah, this would be pretty.
That one I want you to put on tight.
Well, I'm already videotaping this
Mine's
one.
the same. That one for sure.
She has to walk on it, Lisa.
No, we have to put it.
She has to go past here and then walk on it.
This hand. I'll just hold her up.
Now that'd be cute.
And then
Come
we'll
here.
go
That's
straight
one.
to the bathtub.
There you go. All done. All done.
Alright, now we can do your feet. Take your shoe off.
Unless,
Sit down.
unless you know your daughter has like a foot this big.
Wait,
You got pink feet, dude.
we got one more.
One more.
Do your
Next
feet.
one. Next one.
We're not doing your hand, we're gonna do your foot.
Yeah, let me do your other one. I love painting.
Painting toes?
Alright, Raleigh.
Feet.
You're gonna have to
Ooh, like this.
do her feet for her this time. Press them.
I'll lay it like this.
Hold her foot to
Ral, you're not gonna be able to do
Lay
it.
like that.
You hear me, Joe?
What?
Hold her foot so it doesn't touch the Alright, hold your feet up, hold your feet up.
Ooh. Ready? Ready?
Oh,
Ah, come on, Riley.
that was Mariah.
Uh-oh. It's got another bottle of foot. Get it off.
Do this one.
But there's too much paint on that one. A little bit more. We need 2 more.
Joseph. More paint.
Yay!
Dun 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 dun.
Dip her foot back in here.
Yeah. Get some paint off of it.